Ciiko cia andu kuragwo mari moko-ini ma borithi ikoretwo ciongererekete na njira nene ica ikuhi, igitiga muingi kuma ituri ngurani cia bururi uri na maithori na utari na wa gwika thutha wa endu wao gukwira moko-ini maria mabatie gigatiba kugitira mioyo yao. Kuringana na riboti ya oro mwaka ya gikundi gia gutetera ihoto cia umundu kia Missing Voice, andu makiria 500 nio moragirwo ni maabitha borithi kwa ihinda ria miaka 3 mihituku.
The commission is following up on 33 bodies that were recently found in River Yala and 14 other cases of bodies that were found near the River Tana.
Riboti ino ikonania ati ceceni ya borithi ya Pangani guku Nairobi niwe kuite borithi ikigwetwo gutongoria hari ciiko ici cia unyamu.
We are calling for the expediting of cases on police killings and enforced disappearances in court and work with the judiciary to provide a realistic timeline for when they will be resolved.
Kuringana na guataniro ya gutetera ihoto cia umundu ya KNHCR, ici ni ciiko ihahurite bururi na kuria ici ikuhi makiria ya 30 yakorirwe rerete ruini rwa Yala kaunti-ini ya Siaya. Guataniro eno ikiuga niramurikana na mashira maya.
We need and we call on state agencies to work very closely, with the civil society organizations and human rights defenders and not to treat them as criminal.
Iguru ria njuragano ici mihango ya gukinyira kihoto ikoretwo iri murigo kuri family ria yahutio mashira ma ciiko ici makio ya mahinda manene gutwithanio. Umwe wa cira uri cira wa gikuo kia wakiri Wili Kimani uria woragirwo miaka 6 mihituku.
6 years later, as we say, we are waiting for the judgment of the case.
In due course, the decision of Wili Kimani will be out. Let's not lose hope. I encourage all of us to remain hopeful.
Ona kuri uguo gwikururia gwa cira uyu ni guteteirwo, mucirithania Lady Justice Grace Nzioka akiuga muthia kihoto cira-ini uyu kirorete gukinyanira. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ritwira kwa ni Mbataru wa Mwagi.